Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into SOXL. We initially released a report on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has given SOXL a hold/accumulate ranking, scoring it at 0.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 23.43% since we initially recommended buying SOXL 15 days ago. In other words, it has achieved an average return of 1.56% per day since being listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 84.18% change in the ETF, with a potential return ranging from 58.39% to 101.24%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.75% change in the ETF over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -24.97% to 60.59%. This translates to a price range of $26.33 to $56.35 after 1 year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF highlights that its price ended at $35.09 on Monday, marking a gain of 3.18%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, January 29, 2024, the SOXL ETF experienced a 3.18% increase, rising from $34.01 to $35.09. Throughout the day, the ETF saw a fluctuation of 4.83% between a low of $33.51 and a high of $35.13. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 24.88% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 17 million shares on the last day, with a total of 53 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.86 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume despite higher prices could indicate a divergence and possibly signal forthcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $39.53, while the lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price is 11.23%, equivalent to $4.44, below the 52-week high and 90.72%, amounting to $343.15, below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2020, at $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for the SOXL ETF. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal while the long-term average gives a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $35.68. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $30.07. Breaking through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, gives a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the ETF experienced a decrease in volume during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's important to closely monitor the ETF. There are some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, resulting in a 6.38% decrease so far. It is indicated that the ETF may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator has given a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger indicator showed a buy signal 32 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 55 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $31.19 and $28.43. When an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved because if it gets broken, the ETF might fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $31.19. If that support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $28.43 and $28.10. It's important to note that this ETF can experience significant movement during the day, making it a very high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band predicts a wide range of potential outcomes for this ETF. In the past day, it had a $1.62 difference between its high and low, representing a 4.83% change. Over the past week, its daily average volatility was 6.23%. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $35.26. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if SOXL experiences a decline, it encounters its first support level at $31.19. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $33.30, which represents a decrease of 5.1%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, which in turn brings a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top 3 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? While the SOXL ETF does have some positive signals, we believe it may be more prudent to consider it a hold candidate at the current level. This means you should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, January 30th, we anticipate SOXL to open down $0.513 and start trading at $34.58. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know what your target for the ETF is. And hey, if you enjoy our content, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We want to ensure successful trading for you, so have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.